Hi there guys and girls, good day to each every one of you. How are you all doing? Yeah, I'm good as always. I hope you keep on doing great, okay? Striving hard. What date is today? November 25, 2024, and it's Monday. It's just another manic Monday. Wish it were Sunday. You missed that, guys and girls. Oh, oh my gosh! Ah! Ah! Guys, 30 days to go before Christmas. See that? How time flies. I couldn't really believe it was only September 16 when we announced the 100 days